In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Facebook, okay? If you are already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time of our viewers. We dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started. Open Facebook app. Make sure you follow every step here. Now, when you open Facebook app, it will be something like this. What I want you to do now is click on the What's on Your Mind bar here. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will ruin the whole process, okay? What you want to do first here, you can click on live video because there are various options here, but what we are interested in here is the live video. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be required to allow access to your camera and microphone. Just tap on allow. Okay, then now tap on live video again, allow, then allow while using the app. Now by doing this, you will be able to go live on Facebook without any other issue. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.